Hello everybody and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, I want to show you how you can make an animal coloring book using Creative Fabrica and Canva. So if you have a membership to Creative Fabrica, then great. You'll be able to just find any graphic you want that will work for your animal coloring book. And you know, depending on what you're paying per month, sometimes they have specials. I was able to pick up my special. They were running a summer deal and I was able to pick up my special for, I think, $11 a month, which is awesome. But their standard pricing is about $29 a month, and you get access to thousands and thousands and thousands of fonts and graphics and coloring book graphics and everything you can think of or imagine, even your KDP interiors, all kinds of good stuff. It's well worth it. If you're running a KDP business, it's almost a must. You must have the Creative Fabrica membership. If you're interested in that, I'll drop a link in the description. So I'm over here on Creative Fabrica, and then I'll just say one more thing is we are going to be going over to Canva, and you can create these books, any kind of KDP book on Canva, and you can use the free version, so you don't need to be paying. I've been using for a long time. A year or two, I've been paying the premium membership to Canva because I believe that it's worth it. It comes with some more features that I like to do. Auto resizing for if you want to resize your graphics or anything like that, you can resize instead of having to recreate it from scratch or copy and paste and all that. So it saves you a lot of time. And then you get the premium graphics kit. So Canva has a lot of graphics built inside as well. For you when you pay for you get a lot of free stuff, but you take it to a whole nother level when you get the premium stuff. So just these two tools is what I'll be using today, both great tools. So what I'll do here is I'll type in animal coloring, maybe animal coloring pages, and then we'll just see what shows up. There could be some bundles, cute animals here, coloring book stuff. So what I like to look at, so there's over 500 results, and some of them are kits. Like if you look over here, there's 20 pages right here, and these actually are cool because they have backgrounds. These are just individual animals that you can color. And so you got to think of what age group. So this age group might be for 5 to 8 year olds, but then coloring just one shape on a page might be for, 3 to 5 year olds. So it depends on what market you're going after or what age range you're going after. But there's, different like images or graphics. Like if you download this one, it's just the one image. And so in order to build like a 25 design book that turns into a 50 to 55 page book, because you want to have a blank page in between, you would have to download individually 50 of these, and it wouldn't, it's not a fast task to do that. So I do like to find a kit that you can download real quick, and you could download that kit, or you can download this. And right here, there's a bundle there for 50 and 55 pages. So let's just go with this one, the 50 one. So we're going to click on that. It's going to open up. And since I have a membership, I'll be able to download this. And it does have a review, a 5-star review. And so you're going to get these, all these animals right here, over 50 pages of animals, which is just awesome. Just so many graphics you can get inside here. These are the graphics you're going to get. And so you can download this. Just push the download button if you have a membership. If you don't have a membership, don't worry. You don't have to have a membership to download this. We'll just pay for it. You'll have a price right here. A price range usually between $1 and $10 for a bundle. And you'll just have to pay with your account and just pay the one-off fee, and then you'll have full rights to use that forever. So actually not being a member has its own advantages, because if I have books, I'm almost locked in to having to pay for this as long as my books are on KDP, because your membership that you're paying for this, if you have a subscription, only is good as long as you carry the subscription. So just keep that in mind real quick. So I have the zip file over here, and I'm going to go ahead and open up that zip file real quick. So to save time, I've extracted the zip folder and created a folder, and now I have all those graphics in a folder. So now we're going to go to Canva real quick, I'm going to go create design. I'm going to do custom dimensions, and we're going to go with the 8.5 by 11 book. It's going to open up, and then what I like to do is I'm going to go into File, and I'm going to go ahead and show margins, and that's going to give us plenty of space around to protect, no one wants to have the image all the way out while they're trying to color. And then this will also guarantee that you will be able to pass in your KDP uploads. So this will make sure that there's plenty of bleed and margin to do the graphic and to color. So I'm going to go get rid of this real quick. So then what we're going to do is we're going to go over to uploads, right? And then we can just upload some images real quick. I'm going to just push the uploads button here, and there's my page right there. And then we can just start inserting some of these, right? And you might, let's see if we can do it a little bit faster by going into the folder over here and just dragging and dropping. That works too. There's a bumblebee, and then here's a camel. So it'll start uploading the camel. And this is a little bit faster if you want to upload this way. And then we'll just do a couple more. So a catacorn. Oh, so it's a cat and a unicorn. Really cool stuff. All right, so that'll be good enough for the example for today. So as this is downloading, we've got our 3 graphics here. And remember, you can make if you do 25 designs, that will yield a 50-page coloring book. 30 designs will yield a 60-page coloring book, and so forth. So double, 10 designs will be 20, 20-page coloring book. So just double everything because you want to do a blank page in between, and I'll show you that. So we're going to grab this cat. We're going to drag it over real quick, and I'm just going to make sure he fits in the box. And even though, so the whole thing's white, so you can do a couple different things here, depending on what you want this to look like. You can add some other shapes in here. So we could put the cat right here, and then we could also get fancy with it, right? So you can leave just the cat. You could put some text up here, some simple text or a little kid's quote saying or something like that. You can get creative with this. We can also go to elements real quick, and we can type in like cloud. So look for clouds, and we've got some clouds here. So this one will work, right? Because it's PNG based. So I click on the cloud. Let's see here real quick. All right, so we've got this cloud. We just picked a different cloud. And you can put this one in here, kind of shrink it so it's kind of in the back. Then you could grab it. You can do a copy and a paste, and then put a little bit bigger cloud, right? So now you're making some really cool creative coloring books. And there's the cat, and there's some clouds, and then you add page, right? So you can leave it like this, or you can also, for this border here, what I like to do is go with uploads. Let's see here. I've got a folder. So you'll go to shapes. Okay, let's go to shapes real quick, or elements, and then we'll type it. We'll just go with a square here. So if we go to square, and then we want to and actually, so if you go with border, just go with rectangle border. You can find a border that works. Now, some of the borders don't work in Canva. You just have to kind of find the one that works, has full flexibility. So we just kind of scroll down and we find that one that works. Let me see if I can find it real quick, because we want to add a border. Let's see if this one will work. Nope, that won't work. Let's delete that real quick. Where's the border? I think I have it saved over here. Thumbnail favorites. So I have a border here, and I'm going to make it black. Okay, so just find a border that works, and then you can kind of put the border in here like that. So you can have a border, and then it just looks really nice. Move this position backwards. I want to move this cloud over just a little bit. So there's our page, and then I'm going to add a blank page here. Okay. And then I'm going to grab this one up here, and then I'm going to duplicate page, right? So we've duplicated the page here, and then I'm going to move this down one more. Okay, so now you can see what I've done. We're at the top here. We have our first page right here, okay? And then our next page, you want it to be blank, okay? And then you come back down. Here's our next page here. And we want to send the border in the back, and then I want to get rid of the clouds and the cat, And then we're going to go back to our uploads and we're going to grab our next graphic. So let's drag in the camel. You throw the camel in, and you can do these horizontal or you don't have to do them horizontal. So you can make this bigger and then position back in the back. So then now you have your next page. And then you just keep moving forward and you have this unique interior that no one else is really going to have. And what you can do is go back to these packs here and combine different packs. So when we came through here, you can go in here to different graphics and throw in some graphics that look like this and some individual ones. And you can really combine different packs and drawings. So then you're creating coloring book combinations that will not be anywhere else, which is exactly what you want to do on KDP to set yourself apart from everybody else that's uploading coloring books. So that's how you can quickly create a animals coloring book for KDP. That's it for this video. If you want to take your coloring book business to the next level, then check out my coloring book backgrounds packs. All you have to do is click on the first link in the description and you will be taken to this page. There is a bronze, silver, and gold pack. The gold pack has 30 additional unique professional designs like these and also comes with 2 done-for-you PowerPoint coloring books that are 52 pages in length. If you're interested, click the link in the description. You get access to download the files immediately. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos. I teach people how they can make money online in several different ways. Until next time, take care.